Okay, guys, I've been setting up everything for. Oh, damn it. Okay. Okay, guys, I've been setting up all these, the audio, the lighting, everything for a long time. It's a struggle and it's stressful when you're trying to set up everything just for a talking head video like this. Anyway, I'm gonna put on my headphones now because I prefer listening to my voice. Doesn't matter really. I'm using the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro, an 80. I like it. Has a velour thingy. Anyway, yeah, I prefer listening to my voice because I've been addicted to my audio, everything about the audio. Okay, it's been a while I've made a video like this, like talking head and everything else, and I just want to try something out. I've been experimenting on a lot of things. I put on this look, and then this look, and then a lot of other looks, but I have tried to use the current look that I'm using now. Like, I hope it looks good. Also, I've tinkered with a lot of lighting. I'm using All-In's lighting, which is the Practilite Kinotech. Let me just read it. It's a Kinotechnic Practilite, and this is the 600. The good thing about this lighting here is that I'll show you. It has an app, and you can change the lighting. Ooh, I think I changed the temperature. You can change the temperature. Also, you can change the intensity of the light. Dim to bright to. Okay, now problems. I forgot what. That should be it. Anyway, yeah. So I've been having fun with this light here. I'm using a semi-soft box, that way it's gonna go cool to my face, but I just hate that part there. There's a reflection of the light. Also, I've been experimenting a lot in audio. Currently I'm using a Shure SM57. It's more of an instrument microphone, but it's also good for vocals. I've experimented with a lot of audio. I've used this one here, the Rode NTG2 shotgun mic. It's really awesome, but it's good if you're putting your mic away from you and you're trying to get audio, good audio, clear audio. I've tried out this one, the small. I use this for vlogging every day, the Rode Video Micro. Video Micro. I haven't prepared anything for this talk, so I'm gonna go clueless from time to time. Sorry about that. Okay, the other microphone's gone. I'm also using the Video Mic Pro Plus. Shows I'm not ready. I'm also using that microphone. It's a good microphone. It's just too big now. I loved it on my 1DX Mark II. Gives me good audio, and also for computer audios, like when I'm talking to computer, I'm trying to record things. I'm gonna do voice overlay, voiceovers, not voice overlay. Whenever I do voiceovers, I use this microphone. I prefer using this microphone here because it's really solid. I really love it. The problem with this microphone is it's a USB microphone, so you need to plug it to the laptop. And if I'm going to use this for my camera, I need to put power on it, put it on USB, and then use the headphone jack, put it directly to the camera. It's still good audio, but it's a lot of plugs. I hate putting in a lot of plugs, so I have this microphone. I still want to use this. I really like this microphone, but it's just USB. So enough of that. I'm even recording it on my H5 right now, and I just want to get good solid audio. This room that I am in now. It's just a living room, and there's no soundproofing. There's a lot of echo around. I hope this microphone prevents the echo. Yeah, so a lot of blabber. Anyway, my main point right now is that I was recording a video once when I got my DJI smart controller. I was trying to rig my audio, but the thing is I didn't record it on a H5. I just used the H5 to drive this microphone to record it. I plug it to my camera, and I was thinking that if I'm going to use this microphone coupled with the camera, it's going to give me good audio inside the camera. The problem is my camera jack was messed up. Like, it's not working. You need to wiggle it to make it work. And I was shooting a lot of videos after that, and I didn't realize that the microphone was not working. Like, I'm using the onboard microphone of the camera, so like it really sucks when you're like using it, because the thing is, if you're outdoors, the wind is gonna do that, and it's really annoying. I know, it's really annoying. So yeah, I just found that out while shooting a wedding. We were trying to listen to the audio, and we just realized that it's not working. So it's out for repair now. I've heard the A7 III's having a lot of issues with their mic jack. I hope they get it fixed. I hope it was just a one-off, because I have two A7 III. Did I say 5D Mark II? I did say A7 III, right? It should be the A7 III, Sony A7 III. That's really the problem. If you don't have a script, you lose out of track. Anyway, yeah, so like I'm having it fixed. I hope I can get it back as soon as possible. They say 8 business days, but due to the holidays, like tomorrow's a holiday, it might take them a long time to get it fixed. I sent it to them April 16 or earlier than that, hoping to get it next week or the week after, as long as they get it fixed. I was hoping they're going to replace me with a new one, but they don't. Oh, the lighting's... Setting up the lighting is like tricky, because you see that, because yeah, just for this is the computer thingy. This is my all-day throwout glasses. Yeah, it's not blue. Yep, camera focus again. Yeah, it's not blue. It's good. I just still find this thing big. Oh, yeah. Nothing. Sounds different when I'm talking outside my headphones. It sounds different when I'm talking with the headphones. I can hear everything, the hiss and everything. And it sounds different if I'm talking here. Yeah, of course you have headphones. What do you think? I really love this lighting. I love this lighting. I'm looking at the monitor. Sorry about that. I really love this lighting. Zoom Super 140 full. Yay, it's so bright. I can feel my face, it's burning. That's good. I'm crazy. Okay, enough of that. Cut.